Okay, welcome back. We're looking at Sitting Girls 2357, which has been changed to the 5357. Now again, don't forget you will need to do your work in regards to your NVQ folder or your work portfolio. Okay, that's the folder you need to fill in regards to your work experience, and that covers units 311 to 318. Now, unless they've changed the numbers, but the last time I looked, which was earlier this year, the numbers were still the same. Okay. Now we're looking at reporting of accidents. Now here, just again, aims of this outcome. Now please read the aims for yourselves. Okay. It tells you what the lesson is meant to be about and the relevant part which is covered. Now, reporting of accidents. Now, it is in your interest to report accidents at all times, no matter how small. Sometimes it is only, you may only simply prick your finger on something or a piece of metal. But believe me when I tell you that that simple incident can cause you to be ill because of infection that you may have picked up elsewhere. So it's always important to report accidents. If you see something that is unsightly or that can be problematic, report it to your supervisor. Do not ignore it or leave it. Okay? Now again, what needs investigating? Now, there's an investigation carried out by the HSE, which is the Health and Safety Executive. These are the people you will hear a lot about in the news when an accident has occurred. Try not to be on the wrong end of these guys, okay? Because they have statutory powers. Now here is basically telling you who should carry out the investigation. You can see that WIDO places the responsibility of reporting accidents on employers, self-employed people, people in control of premises. Okay? Again, that can well be your responsibility, so be aware of that. When should an investigation take place? Okay, again, this will be down to the event being investigated as soon as possible. Now here again, we should look at the method, read the information which gives you the method as to what should be done. Okay? Causes of accidents. Be aware of that, keep that in mind. Okay? And this is a possible accident in investigation form, purely as an example. Some companies may have their own and use their own for their particular company. Okay? This is just another part of the form which continues. Okay? Now, the reporting of incidents for the HSE, you have legal duties on the WIDO that require you to report and record some work-related accidents by the quickest means possible. Okay? And I'll leave that for you to read that for yourselves. Health and safety, okay. Now answer the questions, please, okay. Do not ignore them. I didn't put them here because I'm handsome, good looking. Put them here to assist you in answering these questions, which is what you will have to do on the online testing when you come to do the health and safety questions in regards to electrical installations and city and guilds. Okay, thank you. I hope you found this useful, and have a good day. Bye bye for now.